Всем привет! Всем привет, вы на канале Выпечка, мы продолжаем Firewatch. Вот, в комментариях меня попросили сделать немного погромче. Я сделал максимально погромче, у меня микрофон дешевый, так что я сделал максимально погромче, насколько это позволяет микрофон, чтобы не брать шум компьютера и чужие шумы, которые идут с улиц там. Вот. Погнали играть. Так. Так. В прошлой серии мы должны сходить, чтобы включить. Да, вышку. Нет, не включить. Что-то сделать с вышкой, чтобы она заработала. Так. Почему я так хожу вязко? Ой-ой-ой. Все-таки здесь очень красиво. Так, куда нам? Нам туда. Нет, нам не туда. Нам... О, во, нам туда. Да, где туалет и генератор. Нам туда вниз спуститься. Так, дальше нам сюда или туда? Там туман. Что-то страшное. О, куда-то лезет.
It's actually pretty damn cold out here.
Roger that. Warms up fast. The mornings are cold in Boulder, though, right?
Yeah, they are.
What did you get up to down there? I mean, what's life like?
You know, boring if you don't ski. We used to go to this bar called the Dollar, though. I love that place.
Oh, wait, is that down on Pearl? They have all the money pinned to the ceiling?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
I love that bar. Why don't you go anymore? Well, I'm sure you have your reasons. I mean, it kind of smelled like beer puke in the bathroom. Hey, can you hold on a sec?
Sure. Just gonna keep hiking and hoping it warms up.
Я же не ответил
Hey,
ничего.
I don't think so. Why, have you? Okay, good. No, I don't think he has any idea. I'm absolutely sure. Would you? All right, I'll let you know if anything changes in that regard. Hey, sorry about that. Anyway, if there's anyone or anything you want to talk about, fire away.
Who was that?
Who is who?
I don't think he has any idea. What was that? Were you talking about me?
What?
You left your button pressed or something.
Henry, that call was work. I was just talking to. Actually, it's not really your business. Why are you freaking out?
I'm not freaking out.
Good. I'm gonna go quiet for a little bit. Call me if it's important.
Мне кажется, есть два исхода событий. Первое... Какой звук, кстати, прикольный. Первое. Нас авторы путают, и мы думаем, что она с кем-то заодно против нас. Либо мы просто видим начальную картинку, то, что мы, как сказать, из контекста вырываем слова. Вот. Из-за этого мы сейчас думаем, что она что-то задумала, а на самом деле нет. Нам сюда, да? Или куда? Нет. Обратно фрезит. Ой, у меня был фонарик. Мне кажется, в ту сторону, да? Мы оттуда пришли. Да. Почему бежать? Мы сейчас будем от кого-то бежать?
Hey, so the wire is definitely down out here. I just found it.
That's actually good to hear. I can send someone out to fix it. Good find.
Yeah, the thing is, it doesn't look like the wind. It looks like it was cut deliberately. It's snipped clean through, and there's a bunch of beer cans out here. The same beer those girls were drinking. They also left us a message.
These idiots are gonna pay. Do they realize this is how people die? I mean, what if something happened to one of my lookouts while this was going on? And God forbid there's an actual fire burning out of control.
What do you want to do?
I want you to go find them.
And then what?
I haven't thought that far ahead. That's not true. Everything that comes to mind is illegal.
Let's hear it.
Oh yeah?
Hey, I came out here for a breath of fresh air and some adventure. What do you got?
I think I want you to just find them and scare the hell out of them.
Yeah, I'd make a spooky ghost costume, but they stole my sheets.
I don't know. Wait for them to wander off and wreck their camp. Something that would make a teenage girl run home to mommy and daddy.
I'll find them.
Thanks.
But I am gonna need a raise.
Don't hold your breath. I'd start by hiking back towards your tower and just keep an eye out for anything that would lead you to them.
Well, they're big into Red Eagle.
Great. See if you can find the path they took down from there. Maybe they looped back around towards the lake or something. I doubt they're where they were yesterday, but they obviously can't have gone far.
Обратно только что он там зафрезило. Обратно так иду, и вот так только что зафрезило вот так. Так. Ну, как понял, их нужно найти по пивным банкам, но идти туда, и там уже нет пивные банки. Либо я сейчас ошибаюсь.
I've got an overgrown trail here,
Yeah, that'll happen.
so I'm screwed when it comes to getting past it.
Screwed until you clear it yourself, yeah.
Great. Well, if I come across some tools, I'll add groundskeeping to my ever-increasing list of responsibilities.
Понятно, мне не сюда, без... Как я понял, это потом, когда я найду инструменты, я могу ходить туда, да? Но пока мне нужно туда и выбрать, куда мне идти. Так, прыжок. Опа. Так. Куда дальше? Направо, налево. Нет. Нам туда, значит. Она говорила, что они не пойдут там, где уже были. Надеюсь. Но я пивных банок не вижу. А это был... Либо это на начало, а потом ты уже сам, да? Если так, то хорошо. А если не так, значит нам придется возвращаться обратно назад. Так. Ну, пойдем сюда. Что-то я припасов здесь не вижу. Понятно. Так, куда нам дальше?
Hey, I'm out at a ravine. What's this thing that spans across it?
That is how you get to my sector.
No kidding. Well, let me hike over.
Well, it's locked up and mainly for emergencies. I've never actually used it. Rangers use it from time to time, but that's it.
Я не успел нажать. Серьезно? Что делать? Ладно, значит нам туда.
There's an abandoned pack out here.
And it's not one of the teens?
No, it looks like it was lost a long time ago.
Well, you could always pilfer it for supplies.
Well, I am flush with ropes now. That pack was full of them, in decent condition too.
That's lucky.
I mean, there's enough rope here that I could just leave them hooked up, I think. Oh, get this. This pack came with one of those cardboard single-use cameras.
With pictures left?
Yeah, he only used 3 or 4.
Neato.
Thank you, Brian Goodwin.
Wait, who?
The bag had the name Brian Goodwin sewn into the top.
Huh. Wow.
Do you know him?
Yeah, I just haven't heard that name in a few years.
He was a lookout?
Yeah, kinda, I guess. He was stationed in Two Forks, your lookout, with his dad Ned 3 summers ago. Great kid.
You can bring children out here?
No. You know, I'm not a stickler for rules. They took off halfway through the summer.
Why? Where did they go?
I don't know. I never really hit it off with old Ned, and, one day they were just gone. Sucks. Anyway, so it goes. Have, fun with that camera. Try not to snap anything that would scar a Photodome employee.
I don't know. I got a lot of hiking to do. Might get bored.
Well, I'm bored as rocks, so I'll keep you company while you find those girls, huh?
Значит, я могу сфоткать 17 раз, да? И это очень, наверное, важно, потому что я, наверное, буду фоткать какие-то детали, чтобы потом раскрыть какую-то загадку. Так. Наверное, самое будет интересное, когда будет, наверное, середине игры, либо конец, либо вот сейчас начало. Самый интересный момент, когда будет, когда я буду спускаться, Кто-то, наверное, мою веревку вот так срежет, наверное, тот чувак. Ну, там тоже веревки. Довольно странно, да? Он упал, сумка упала, и он исчез. Что-то здесь не так. Что дальше? Просто прыгнуть? Нет. А, вот. Здесь уже 3 вида, видели? Это веревка этого чувака, которого мы нашли. Рюкзак. Еще какая-то веревка. Еще. Довольно, вот это довольно странно. Да, старая. Очень старая. Эти два более такие свежие. Либо это ее веревка, с кем мы разговариваем, наша напарница. Либо это того чувака, которого мы видели тень.
I see a really thin plume of smoke.
Yeah, I see it too. A thin plume like this is either a new fire or a campfire.
Campfire. You think it's them?
I reckon so.
It looks like it's to the southwest of me.
That's right. If you hike towards 5 Mile Creek, that should put you in the neighborhood. Keep an eye on that smoke plume. Let me know if it's getting any larger.
Will do.
Почему везде рога? Там были рога, здесь рога. Разных рога животных. И у того человека было в тени, когда он фонариком светил, как будто у него были рога на голове. Как будто это а, какой-то головной убор. Но на самом деле это было просто отражение этого, как кустов. Вот. Когда он посветил, отражение головы кустов соединились, и мы видели его здесь, ну, на той стороне, как будто это у него на голове рога. Но на самом деле это не рога. Но сейчас мы видим везде рога. И забрать их нельзя, кстати.
Hey, sorry about snapping at you earlier. I thought about it, and yeah, I suppose that must have sounded kind of weird when you heard me take that other call. Plus, you're just out here in your own head. Trust me, I know how it is. So, did you break any hearts back in Colorado when you took this job? I myself have chosen to never get attached to anyone who would miss me, but I know I'm a bit of an outlier. I don't mean that the way it sounds. I mean, I care about people, and I like companionship as much as the next person. But why does it have to come from the same person for your whole life? My Aunt Kathy was married to the same guy for 4 decades, and when he died, she found out he'd been having an affair with a real estate broker for 15 years. Whereas my Aunt Judy traveled the world dating artists and musicians as she saw fit. Call me crazy, but I'd rather spend a week in bed with Sonny Bono than half a lifetime with some cheating stockbroker.
Hey, Delilah?
What do you got? You found him?
No, not yet. Why would there be a fence out here?
Because sometimes hikers go ass over tea kettle when on a trail.
So the Forest Service would put up a big chain link fence?
A chain link fence?
Yeah, it looks like it surrounds a huge area.
Huh. That's weird.
Who are they keeping out of here? And why?
Geez, I don't know. Maybe it's biologists, you know? Well, they don't want people traipsing on their precious lichens.
What's a lichen?
Well, wouldn't you liken to know?
Oh my god, goodbye.
I'll ask next time I talk to someone, but that'll probably be a few days. I'm having a hell of a time getting this fucking flapjack off his ass and out to repair that wire.
Excuse me, Flapjack?
You know, like a loser, a chotch.
I really don't, but I do now.
Well, the next time you're at a bar and some banker steps on your foot so he can order his crappy martini, you've got just the name to use.
Hey, Flapjack, why don't you wait your turn before I bounce your face off a dumpster?
It's beautiful. You know, if it makes you feel any better, you're a member of a diverse club of lookouts that have come to the thoroughfare after a breakup. I mean, I assume you went through a breakup. At least that's my best guess at this stage. There was Vernon, whose wife got put away for running cocaine. Becca, who was widowed after her husband, a jockey, was trampled by his horse. And Sharon, whose boyfriend had his own boyfriend. Maybe you boned the neighbor. Maybe she boned the neighbor. Maybe you both did. I don't judge. And if you ever want to talk breakups, I'm your gal.
Я даже половины не смог прочитать. Слишком быстро. О, обратно музыка какая-то пошла. Значит, что-то сейчас будет. Обратно зафризила. только что поднимались. Она вот так немного зафрезила. Компьютер обратно фрезит. Мне это не нравится. Первая была такая жуткая музыка, а сейчас такая более не сказал бы позитивная, но более такая, как бы сказать, такая в темпе музыка. Ну, мы здесь были. Что-то здесь не то.
Boy, for as dry as it is this summer, there's an area down here that's lush.
Oh, you must be talking about the Aspen Grove down there.
Yeah, I think that's where I am.
Those trees are actually one root organism. Did you know that?
I didn't.
Yeah, they share their water as a colony that can live for hundreds of years, even through fire. This is the sort of biome-based small talk that will be invaluable to you as a single man. Also, by what it looks like on this map, you'll be coming up on a stream that should lead you towards where we saw that smoke.
It's a really nice waterfall down here. Given those girls love a skinny dipping, I bet they're nearby. There's some cloth out here. It looks like it was torn from something.
Strange.
I'll keep looking around. I see a campsite, and it looks like they've got a fire.
Is it them?
No, it seems like it. I swear, they must have dragged 4 cases of beer out here.
Track them down, and don't let them see you.
What a job this is. I have entered the teen zone.
Oh, really? And where's that?
It's the name of a magazine for girls. It's on the ground here at their camp. Huh, pants are back.
I'm sorry, pants are back?
Well, according to the experts at Teen Zone magazine. It's unclear where they've been. The pants, I mean? Well, I found some dangerous hunks.
What on earth are you...
It's another one of those magazines. I don't get why the hunks have to be so dangerous.
Well, you're clearly not a young woman.
Girls should want nice hunks.
Ugh, boring.
These girls have a full case of beer left here. A full case.
Well, they're impressive little shits, I guess.
That is some dedication. Ah, found my sheets.
So they did break into your tower.
Looks like. know, maybe I should take one of their sleeping bags as payback.
At this stage, take whatever you want.
Думаю, на этом закончим. Спасибо всем. Спасибо. До скорой встречи. Вы были на канале Выпечка. Спасибо.